Hey guys, welcome to the video series of how to build and use a beer die table. We are the Boiler Builders, and this is our final project for COM 320. This is part 1 of 5. In this part we will be discussing the design of the table. So getting into it, we are using a software called AutoCAD, and this allows you to draw out and set up plans for whatever you need. And so because we're building a die table, we're going to start off by putting in the 4x4 legs, and then on top of that we're going to do the 3/4 inch thick sheet that goes across the top of it. As you can see, we're doing that right now. And then we'll put in the other leg. And then for some support under the table, we're going to be using 2x4s. So we'll have one 2x4 on the end or the short sides of the table, and then one 2x4 running the whole length of the table. Now time for more support here. This is so it doesn't twist or bend, and it's been a little bit since I've used AutoCAD, so I'm trying to figure out how to do it, and then I eventually figure out that I can use the duplicate function to make 2 parallel lines that will allow for me to make easy 2x4s at a weird angle. So there's going to be some cross bracing on the back as well, or on the two sides, sorry, not the back, and that'll just be a completely horizontal 2x4, so all you're going to see is the end of that. And this step is completely optional. You don't have to design your table in AutoCAD, but because we could and we have the access to it, we decided that it would be fun to show how to design a table. And now we are going to use the parallel line method, so you could just draw a line straight across, and this will allow us to draw out the short side of the table just so there's another view of the table. As you can see, that thin piece on the top is the 3x8 or the 3/8 sheet of OSB, and I'm drawing lines parallel so I can just come with the vertical lines to draw all of them in.